Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Aditya and you're watching my channel Adi Rocks, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, one of the most adored and the hardest puzzle of the human era. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
One thing.
So I hope all of you liked today's video. If you did, make sure you like the video, share it with others, and make sure you subscribe to Adi Rocks. As you can see, the whole cube is completely solved. And if I do several steps, it can once again come back to its original state. So once again, make sure you subscribe to Adi Rocks, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Aditya from Adi Rocks signing off. See you next time. Bye bye.